Does your project have indoor air quality restrictions that limit or eliminate the use of diesel, gas, or propane-powered equipment? Need an electric mini excavator rental to safely satisfy indoor air quality standards without sacrificing production and cost controls? Avoid time-consuming, costly manual labor and project shutdowns. CB Specialty Equipment Rentals provides nationwide electric mini excavator rentals. We offer 2 models, and various attachments are available with each model, from hydraulic hammers to compactors to buckets and crushers. CB Specialty Equipment Rentals is America's leader in electric-powered, fume-free excavation equipment. Call us now, 855-FUME-FREE. That's 855-386-3373.
The time has come for America's leader in electric-powered, fume-free excavation equipment. Creep Busters.